Is your non-Windows app crashing because of the Dxcompiler.dll? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer. Let's use these professional steps to fix the runtime error. While we explore the technical guide for Dxcompiler, you can access a professional tool for managing complex library dependencies. This DLL file is the modern DirectX shader compiler. It provides high-performance compilation of HLSL code into DXIL for Direct3D12 applications, enabling the latest graphics features on modern GPUs. With that context in mind, our first logical step is a clean reinstallation. The Dxcompiler.dll is required by Windows OS Core, DirectX, to run correctly. Reinstalling the latest official version of Windows OS Core, DirectX, ensures all required application DLLs are restored. In the event the error remains visible, it indicates we need to verify the environment's ability to register new shared resources. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the Dxcompiler file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. To avoid future system conflicts, there is one specific security trap we should discuss. Be highly suspicious of any site that recommends disabling your endpoint protection to install the Dxcompiler.dll, as this is a standard red flag for malicious software injection. To ensure your system remains within verified parameters, you might choose to use an authorized maintenance path for ongoing support. For general system upkeep, the maintenance-related tool linked below includes information relevant to the Dxcompiler. If this diagnostic guide saved you time launching the Dxcompiler today, please show your support by liking the video and subscribing for more expert-level troubleshooting.